This video is going to explain how to pair your student in Canvas. Now that you're at elkhart.instructure.com, click on the account at the top of your screen. Now click on Settings. Now scroll to the bottom of your page. You'll see it says Pair with Observer. The code will appear here. I blacked the code out so that you would not see a code for somebody else. This is your code. You will type this in a minute. Write it down. Now we're going to go back to elkhart.instructure.com, and this time you're going to click Parent of a Canvas Observer in the top corner. You will fill out the information that it asks for, and at the bottom here you will enter your student pairing code. Your student pairing code that you wrote down a minute ago will go in this spot right here. I circled it in red. Now click You Agree, and then click Start Participating. Now you can observe your student in all of their classes.